Hi, this is REALME Narzo 50 Pro and I'll show you how to change fingerprint sensor animation on this device. So let's check our currently animation, and just to change it we should open the settings and scroll down to password and security, then go to the fingerprint, unlock it and just tap the fingerprint animation, and just to switch your currently animation to one from these available ones you should select just, for example, I'll use this one. Now just let's lock the device and we can see that we just successfully changed the fingerprint sensor animation on our Realme device. That's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.